Let's learn about farm animals. Cow. Cows are large mammals, often used as livestock for meat, milk, and hides, which are used for leather. Sheep. Sheep are animals with thick woolly coats, and they have 4 legs. They love to graze on grass and plants, and they enjoy wandering around the fields. Chicken. The chicken is a bird that people all over the world raise for its meat, eggs, and feathers. Female chicken called hen. Rooster. Rooster is a male chicken. Roosters are those talented, creative, but somewhat eccentric people who make life interesting for the rest of us. Duck. Duck is a swimming bird, has short neck. Their webbed feet helps them to swim fast. Horse. Horses are large and very strong. Horses eat grass. Most free-living horses graze and wander in groups called bands. Pig. Pigs are stout, barrel-shaped mammals that are known for their big appetites. Goat. Goats are horned mouths that can be either wild or tame. People keep goats for their meat, milk, and skin. Turkey. Turkeys are large birds. They are found in the wild, and they are also raised for food. It's fun to learn about farm animals. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the notification button for more video. For other videos, please click the link in the description.